How to blend photos on Canva. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here's how we are going to get this one. So first things first, I have here a blank canvas, say for example this one right here. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding some elements. Now it actually depends on what kind of elements you're going to add. I'm just going to go ahead and try to go ahead and look for dark alley, just this one right here. So basically what I want right now is something that depicts a person who is somehow stressed, depressed, something like that. Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and try to find something in here. Say this one, for example. Maybe not that one. We're gonna try to find something else. All right, this one, for example. Oops. Now what I'm going to do is just basically enlarge this one, make sure that it fits the entire thing. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is click this one here, edit photo, and then we're going to go ahead and click the see all for the filters. We're going to go ahead and set this one to classic. There you go. So as you can see, that is a lot better, right? Now from this point forward, I'm also going to go ahead and try to look for a person. I'm going to type here person and then click photos. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and try to find something. Say this one, for example. We're going to try putting it here. Just like so. And then we're going to click this one. And basically what we're going to do is just blend this. Alright, as you can see, it is starting to form something. And that is how to blend photos on Canva.